Battle lines continue to be drawn between American track star and firebrand athlete Sha'Carri Richardson and Jamaican lovers and viewers of track and field. In a latest spat, Sha'Carri Richardson accuses Jamaican YouTubers of using her name as clickbait to get views. And she has also threatened to sue Jamaican YouTubers. In her tweet on the 25th of May, she tweeted, "Which Jamaican YouTuber gonna get sued today?" It's been Sha'Carri versus the Jamaicans for over a year now, with a number of fans standing up to defend their Jamaican athletes. One Twitter user told her, "Come sue the whole 3 million away." A number of athletes have come out to defend Sha'Carri, including Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah. Thompson-Herah called for the media and Twitter users to give Sha'Carri some space to breathe. So, what do you think about this one? Do you think that Sha'Carri deserves all the abuse that she's been getting from the different Jamaican fans of track and field? Post your comments in the comment section below. I am looking forward to reading every single one of them. And in the meantime, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. This is JamFet.